Have you ever scrolled through those stunning travel videos and wondered, how do they make it look so epic? Well, today, I'm letting you in on a little secret that pro filmmakers use to instantly level up their videos. It's all about the power of the establishing shot. So what exactly is an establishing shot? It's a wide shot at the beginning of a scene that shows the audience where and when the story is happening. Think of a sweeping drone shot over a mountain range before we meet the hiker, or a bustling city street at night before we enter a cozy cafe. It sets the stage, creates a mood, and gives your viewers a sense of place and scale. It's like the cover of a book. It draws you in and tells you what kind of story you're about to dive into. Without an establishing shot, your audience can feel a bit lost. If you just cut straight to a close-up of a person talking, we have no context. Are they in an office, at home, on a spaceship? By starting wide, you ground your story in a specific environment. This simple technique makes your videos feel more polished, more cinematic, and way more professional. It shows you're not just pointing and shooting, you're intentionally telling a visual story. So next time you're out filming, don't forget to capture that big, beautiful wide shot. It could be a landscape, a cityscape, or the outside of a building. It only takes a few extra seconds to film, but it makes a world of difference in your final edit. Trust me, once you start using establishing shots, you'll wonder how you ever made videos without them. It's a game changer. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more filmmaking tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use establishing shots in your next video. Until next time, keep creating,